Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Ramadan.
Thank you. Thank you for wishing me, sir.
No problem, no problem. So yeah, there was a glitch in the website and your page got erased. The checkout page, like look at it, it just everything got erased.
Okay. Can you share your screen, sir?
Sure.
Okay.
Share screen, share. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, yes, I can see.
This is it. Checkout page. Everything is gone.
Okay. Did you try to delete or try to click back button?
Yeah, undo.
Using your keyboard.
I clicked undo many times.
Okay.
Nothing. Luckily, I had a copy of the checkout, which has most of the stuff, but it doesn't have, I don't think it has your code in it. I don't think.
Okay. You could not see my code there.
So that's the thing. I don't know where to see the code. That's another question I had for you.
Okay. You can see here, top left corner, dev mode option. Find dev mode option.
Dev mode. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Turn on dev mode.
Turn on.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Under the page section, you can see here code.
Yes.
Those code I made. Okay.
Got it. So if I click start.
Okay. So don't worry. I can fix this. So you need this design and code in your checkout page, right?
Second page? What do you mean by second page? It needs to go to checkout.
Checkout page. I mean,
yeah, the checkout. Yeah, exactly. The same thing that you did. The same thing that you did was great.
Okay.
It got erased.
Okay. No
yeah.
problem. No problem. I will replace those code and design there. Okay.
Okay. Now, one more thing. Let's see what I did here. We added this thing at the end during the checkout. The calculation is the same, but the amount that's due, the amount that I want them to actually just pay is 10%.
Okay.
Right.
So I have to add code for this due today price, right?
Yes, please. Exactly. So yeah, exactly. So the due today is calculated at 10%, and the 10% that due today goes to checkout.
Okay.
Yeah, because nobody's gonna pay 25 grand right off the bat. You know, they're gonna.
What is the logic about due today price? Calculation logic. I want to know about the calculation logic.
10%.
For 10%. 10% with the total subtotal amount, right?
Correct.
Okay, got it, sir.
All right.
No problem. I will do this.
Thank you. I really don't know why I got erased. It's
okay, no problem. I will fix this soon.
Okay, and then I think we already know everything, right? The start. Okay, I see. Yeah, the start. Okay, and then just show me just real quick. How do I change the photos that are related to the thing?
Okay, sir. Okay. Can you go to Wix dashboard?
Wix dashboard. Okay, Wix dashboard.
Yes. Go to your Wix dashboard, and then you can see content manager. Click here.
Okay.
Then you can see here slider images.
Okay.
Yes. Here you can see premium. Premium means premium none. Platinum means platinum none. Okay. You can you can replace images.
Say again. Premium means what?
Premium means premium none. This is for after start page. Premium.
Oh,
Okay, base style, I mean.
I
Base
got you.
style
I got
page.
it. Yeah, I got it. Premium line of, okay, I got you. Okay. What about the first page, this page? How do I set
This
this this
oh,
background?
I forgot to add this field for changing this photo. So I
That's
will
okay.
add this.
No, but
I will add
I
this.
can do it here. I can just do it directly through the editor, change slide background.
Right. You can do this.
Okay, so that's
So
easy. That's fine. That's fine.
yes, I need to change some code for this. I did this using my code. Okay.
You did what? I'm sorry.
I did code for this start page background image.
Okay, but you don't need to. You don't need to. I can change that
I-
directly using the change
Yes.
slide background.
Yes, I will remove my previous code so so that you can use default image there.
Oh, okay. So just for the first image, I can change
Yes.
it through here. Everything else, I need to go to Content Manager, Slider
Yes.
Images, and then I can change it in here. And then you've got all the code ready so that, like you did it, if somebody clicks on Platinum and
Yes.
then glass, it'll be Platinum Glass or something.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. All right. Can I hire you for future projects as well related to this website?
Yes, sir, sure. You can hire me.
Okay.
Right?
Okay,
You can
terrific.
hire me anytime, no problem.
How
I'm
do I-
always
how do
I'm
how do I-
always in the Fiverr.
Okay, how do I pronounce your name?
My name is Sazedur.
Shajedu.
Yes.
Shajedu. Okay. All right. And so always on
My
Fiverr.
sir, my nickname Shaju. SAZU.
Okay,
Yes.
let me write it down. I'm writing it down 1 second.
Okay.
Is the only way to reach out to you on Fiverr or is there WhatsApp? Shaju.
Actually, sir, Fiverr allow me only communicate my clients using Fiverr. So
Okay.
they have restriction
Okay. No
for
problem.
contacting any other platform.
Gotcha. Okay. No problem. Okay. Thanks, Shaju. I really appreciate it. And just shoot me a text when it's ready so I can review it. And
Okay, sir, sure. If you need anything else, you can ask me through Fiverr, or we can connect with video call
okay.
through Fiverr, Zoom.
Can I ask for one more thing? One thing before I forget.
Yes, sure, sir.
Do you see that summary V1 and summary V2?
Yes.
So I want those. We're gonna test different things with different customers because we're about to test different campaigns. So you see this one due today is a different number. It's 250, or maybe it'll be, maybe it'll be 100. We don't know yet. So I wanted you to make two checkout sliders. One with the due today 10% and the other one with the due today $100.
There should not have any percentage, just $100.
Correct, exactly.
Okay. Another thing is only 10%.
Correct. Now they're two completely different checkout pages.
Okay.
Right? So all the other code, the photos, everything remains the same. It's all the same. It's just the due today that we want to test different things with. I mean, honestly, maybe not. Maybe you can keep the same code and just show me how to change the 10% to $100 or something. No. Let's keep it. Let's do it separate. Because we're going to do different launch campaigns. And it's going to be so much easier to just send them to the different location.
So, sir, how they will redirect for those two checkout pages when they stay in the summary page? How they will redirect? Will there have any option?
No. So, well, yeah. So we're considering different things. We were thinking of having two completely different pages so that We're gonna send some people to that page. We're gonna send other people to that page, and
Okay, got it.
see which one performs better.
Okay, so for these two checkout page, we have to design a start from a start to checkout page for $100, and another is for 10%.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. It's just it's just the last page that changes. Yeah, so you can just copy, copy paste and then just change the due
Yes,
today.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, got it, sir.
Yeah. All right, man. Thank you so much. And yeah, I really appreciate it. And happy again Ramadan. And hopefully we
sir.
can continue work together a lot. We have many projects, so with this website. So
Okay,
yeah.
sure, no problem, sir.
Awesome. All right, Shaju, talk soon.
Okay,
Bye.
okay. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.